What if everything you see right now, your hands, your screen, the sky above you is not real, not metaphorically, not philosophically, but physically? What if the universe is running on code? This is not science fiction. Some of the world's most respected scientists and philosophers have seriously asked this question, and the answers are far more unsettling than you might expect. In 2003, Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom published a paper titled, "Are You Living in a Computer Simulation?" In it, he argued something shocking. If advanced civilizations can create extremely detailed simulations of their ancestors, then statistically, it is more likely that we are inside one of those simulations than in the original base reality. This idea is now known as the simulation hypothesis. It is not proof, but it's mathematically plausible, and it forces us to ask, what if we are the characters, not the players? Now here's where things get even stranger. In quantum physics, particles behave differently when observed. The famous double-slit experiment shows that particles act like waves until someone measures them, then they collapse into solid particles. It's as if reality only renders itself when someone is looking. This has been replicated many times, and institutions like MIT and CERN continue studying these effects. Does observation create reality? Or does reality load like a video game? The universe has a maximum speed, the speed of light. Nothing can move faster. Why? Some physicists have speculated, what if it's a processing limit, like the maximum bandwidth of a system? Additionally, the universe appears to be made of discrete units. Space and time are not infinitely smooth. At the Planck scale, reality becomes pixelated, tiny building blocks, almost like digital resolution. NASA and theoretical physicists studying quantum gravity have explored this idea for decades. Is spacetime continuous or is it code? Elon Musk once stated that the odds we are in base reality may be billions to one. Physicist James Gates discovered that equations describing string theory contain error-correcting codes, similar to the codes used in computer browsers. Coincidence? Maybe, but strange coincidences keep stacking up. And when science starts overlapping with digital logic, it's hard not to wonder. But here's the deeper question. If this is a simulation, who built it? Why? Are we being studied, tested, observed? Or is this just an ancient universe running on autopilot? And if it is fake, does that make it less meaningful, or more? Because even inside a simulation, pain feels real, love feels real, fear feels real, and maybe that's enough. Maybe the universe is not fake. Maybe it's just deeper than we understand. But until we know for sure, every time you look at the stars, you might ask yourself, am I watching the universe, or is it watching me?